Today, we attended the Roll the Dice car show at the Spirit Mountain Casino in Grand Ronde, Oregon. It started out as a rainy day in the morning, but then the same sun came out and it was just an absolutely beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Big block Chevrolet. She is in the weeds. Beautiful Camaro here. 396 big block, not too many. Really beautiful 62 Corvette. Out 1986 Chevrolet C10 stepside. 3 Chevrolet, owned by Mark Lago from.
Well, how about those slotted mags on the Chevrolet K10 and the Toyo MT open country tires on it? What a beautiful example of an early Chevrolet square body 4x4.
Buick, beautiful.
Hi there.
Howdy.
Awesome, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Very cool. Oldsmobile Tornado. See, Tim, I saw this drive down the road yesterday. It was pretty cool. You can see it going down the road. You don't see too many on the road anymore here. Looks like a 1968. I was going to say 67, but it's a 68. Front wheel drive. Very cool. 70 Plymouth Cuda. One of 7,828. 344 speed. Original owner. Wow. Very nice. I think that'd be the owners. Beautiful car. Well, if you like shiny, here's one. Very shiny for a Jeep. 1985 with a 258 6-cylinder. And here's kind of a cool car. I like it. Cadillac Alante. Not worth a lot of money. This one does have the North Star in it. 1993. Cadillac Alante. All right, here we got a Nash station wagon, Pro Street, 1959, owned by Dwayne Baker, out of Albany, Oregon. Big block Chevrolet. She is in the weeds. 1968 Dodge Coronet with a 440 4-speed. Engine was built by Hatch Racing over in Almsville. There, pretty cool. Love that shifter. Awesome, nice car. 440. 1978 Chevrolet C10 short wide box. 355. Small block. Auto trans. Beautiful Camaro here. 396 big block. Not too many of these had the 396 big block. Factory 4-speed. Low back bucket seats. Got the tall spoiler, which I believe it should have had a short spoiler, unless it's a 73. Unusual to see a big block in there. It's a Rally Sport. Has a split front bumper there and AC. Wow, what a loaded car there. It's a 1970 from Salem, Oregon. Very nice. 1970 Plymouth Duster 340 4-barrel. Looks like it still has the original engine. AC. Survivor car. Very, very nice for Survivor car. Very clean. I think it's probably an original Oregon car. Don't know that for sure. Here has a build sheet, 54,300 miles. Looks like it was bought originally in Bisbee, Arizona. Console, say 340. Great car. There's a really beautiful 62 Corvette. Outstanding paint, wheels, tires, fitment is awesome. Engine is restored, similar to original, but with modifications, some added chrome, HEI conditioner, MSD probably, leather interior. Really a nice car. Beautiful. '61 Corvette. Alongside a 55 Chevrolet here. Steve Williams 1971 Chevelle Ss 454. Sport to 468. Big block. Runs a very, very low 10-second quarter mile. Wouldn't be hard to dip into the nines. Very nice car. 1951 Chevrolet 2-door hardtop. Cadillac. Beautiful Cadillac there. '67 Camaro, Super Sport, bumper guards, pretty cool, bumblebee stripe. Got some add-ons to it, different valve covers, headers, etc. Rally wheels with red line tires on it, vinyl top, 4-speed, nice wheel, good looking car.
Well, I really like that Scat Pack Hemi Challenger, but what I really liked was this aluminum trailer that lowered down. But I didn't ask the price.
1986 Chevrolet C10 step side. Super clean. Nice truck. Lincoln City, Oregon. And here's a 53 Chevrolet owned by Mark Lago from McQuinn, Oregon. Beauty. Love the eyebrows. Fender skirts. '79 Dodge Little Red Express, America's first muscle truck. Here from Troutdale, Oregon. Remember a time when these trucks were super cheap, couldn't hardly give them away. But they're not that way anymore. Factory bucket seat interior, like a buddy seat there. This truck's really nice. In the back, we've got a Hodaka Super Rat motorcycle. It's all restored. Beautiful bike. I'm gonna say it's a 100, Ace 100 Hodaka. Don't see too many Hodakas around.
You're way older than I am.
Am I?
Yes.
'48 Chevy.
Beautiful Ford coupe owned by Steve from McQuinn, Oregon. Jared and Chris with Professional Tire just installed these wheels and tires on here, and they really nailed it. Every hour or so, they would fire up these drag cars. And one of the cars in here is Chuck Finn's bright red 1937 Fiat Tropolino with a big block Chevrolet, blown on alcohol and ejected. is one badass machine.
Chuck and them are getting a little rowdy over there. Really?
Edge, and I didn't realize that it
That's cool.
dropped down there. So
Roy.
'63 Impala and a '64 Impala convertible, and a '57 convertible, and there was also a '57 hardtop owned by Frank Montelongo out of Dayton, Oregon, and Oscar. I thought my friend Roy Panchow would really like this 1964 Ford Fairlane, built in Salem, Oregon, by Mr. Vanderbeck. Beautiful car. Looks like a full chassis car. Kerry just does an absolute beautiful job, and he's done some work on some of Roy's cars, and he did an exceptional job on this 64 Fairlane here. Very nice car. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time at Rusty Duck Garage. And if you would, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button if you would. Thank you.